The other niggas ain't talking about shit. You feel me? Like, nigga, we having big motion. Listen, the motion so crazy right now. Nigga, let me tell you how crazy it is. It's so crazy that, nigga, the money's coming from everywhere. Nigga, I can go get it over here. I can go glitch shit. Nigga, I can go slang shit. Nigga, I can go rap shit. Nigga, I can go on a tour. Nigga, it's so many income stream opportunities. It ain't even enough time in the day. That shit confuse you. With so many opportunities, nigga might not even go do nothing. That's why I be putting y'all on this money shit, man. Go get you some motherfucking money, man. Go get some bread, man. Think positive, man. Positivity is the key, man. If you know you can do it, you can do it. Nigga, I ain't even just saying that shit. Nigga, I microdose on them shrooms, nigga. Go outside, go look at my cars and be like, okay, I'm finna switch all them out for more expensive cars. I'm finna make all the money that I want. Switch that TRX out. Now I'm gonna keep the TRX. I'm gonna keep the demons, cause them collectibles, them vintage. But goddamn everything else, I'm gonna switch them bitches out for the newest. Nigga, life is a puzzle, nigga. This shit ain't nothing but algorithms, nigga. You better start striking and finding them glitches in this motherfucker, nigga. This shit like a maze. You better crack that. You better crack that code. I be putting y'all, nigga, I show you the starter pack. I show y'all niggas the starter pack easily. Go listen to Life Hack. Nigga, I'm showing you the Life Hack easy. Nigga, ain't nobody put me on this shit. I had to sit in. Who put me on this shit, matter of fact? Oh, damn. Shout out to my nigga, man. He put me on this shit. You got to get put on this type of shit. Nigga, the shit I'm putting y'all on, you got to get put on this shit. Don't nobody put you on this shit. Nigga don't tell you about this shit. This shit ain't for everybody. These millions ain't for everybody, dog. That's all I'm letting y'all niggas know, man. For a special few, that's why it's a 1%, it's a 99, nigga. We gonna live like that 1%. Nigga, that's what we on. Fuck we look like being broke, nigga. We wasn't meant to be broke. You feel like you was meant to be broke? Kind of shit is that? If you feel like you meant to be broke, nigga, you got a mental problem. That's all I'm saying. You feel like you was meant to be broke, you got a mental problem. Nigga, I'm showing you how to get 100 racks easy. All you gotta have is a little patience. If you got a little patience, you can go get the racks. You have just, sometimes you see it, nigga, sometimes you gotta wait a year. If you done been broke for 5 or 10 years, it don't matter, nigga, wait that year. Look at the game I used to play, niggas ain't had no patience though, man. I got patience, man. I'm calculated, so I can sit and wait. I'm super calculated, you know what I'm saying? I can sit and wait and then strike. I can wait all day. You gotta have discipline, man. I got real discipline, man. I got real get money habits, real rich nigga habits, man. You see how I'm living, man. Listen, I ain't forgot where I came from. I know I'm from the streets, but I got rich nigga habits, man. I'm eating lunch at Neiman Marcus, you feel me? At the Rotunda, nigga, top floor. Well, you can see the whole city, you feel me? Nigga, this shit ain't no joke, nigga. Like, I'm around billionaires, nigga. I'm with niggas who going to buy $60 million buildings. You know what I'm saying? Let me invest a little $5. Let me get in with you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm trying to put y'all on, man. Show y'all that other side, man. Ain't nobody trying to be broke, man. I know y'all niggas ain't trying to be broke. I got some real get money fans, too, now. I got real growers, you know what I'm saying? Niggas who got 20-acre operations. I got fans who got 20-acre operations. I got fans who really striking shit over there in Nigeria. That's what little Nigeria about, nigga. I got real Nigerians who got look up to the kid. Just like how niggas over here trapping. You know, every young nigga got door locking or they trapping. On the West Coast, they bipping shit. Nigga over there, they got nigga, they in cafes. They on their internet. Nigga, they typing on their laptop, nigga. They finessing old niggas over here. Catching them, striking. Striking Europeans, you know what I'm saying? Little 1,500, 10 times. Niggas on that, man. Niggas getting money for real. Nigga, I go in my closet. I had 10 chains. I'm like, okay. I microdose. All right, I got 10 chains. Boom. Quick 80. 80 for one. Nigga, I'm finna make another M. Do it again. Nigga, we finna turn this bitch to 20 chains. I got 4, 5 watches. All right, they all bust down. I bought a plain Jane. Oh, I need 4 more plain Janes. I got 40 guns. Oh, okay, I need to go buy 40 more. Nigga gotta keep making money. Oh, I got 5 cars, nigga. Fuck it. I don't need 10 cars though. That's the only thing. I just need some 5 whips. You feel me? A few 5 whips. You know what I'm saying? Cause I be on the move too much. I don't never get to drive my shit anyway. But like I said, man, don't nobody want to be broke, man. I'm trying to put y'all on the sauce, man. I'm showing y'all niggas how to really go get that bag. I'm not shitting on